Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 21st to the 27th. Smack dab in the middle of the week we have Christmas. If you celebrate, I wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful day with family and friends. And if you make it out to Walgreens this week, or if you want to do curbside, we'll be talking about all of that. The first thing we're going to launch into is Christmas clearance, because I know a lot of you probably have register rewards or a couple dollars of Walgreens cash that you want to spend towards this. And what is the clearance schedule? Well, I have you guys covered. Now, typically, I know this date for sure. On the 26th, the day after Christmas, every item should be 50% off, with the exception of candy and toys. Sometimes they're goofy with those two items, but the majority of Christmas merch 50% off. And then it's estimated from last year on the 2nd, it'll go 70, and then on the 5th, it'll go 80. For the last couple years, Christmas never went 90. I think the last time it went 90 was 2020. So these are estimated dates at the bottom, but looking into that foggy crystal ball, this is what we're working with. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad and along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 21st. We're simply previewing deals, the deals that I think that'll be the most worthy starting on Sunday the 21st. Now, before we dive into the specifics, if you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel to make sure that this video doesn't end up in Siberia if you guys give the video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Thank you so much in advance, guys. So starting on tomorrow, actually, we have these two boosters, the 4-back when you buy 2 dental care, P&G line, and a 10-back when you spend $45, which is probably online only. That one with the 10-back when you spend $40 will probably stack, so we'll have to see what we can do online. And will that print an in-store booster or an in-store register reward when you spend $30? We'll have to figure that one out again tomorrow. The friend that a lot of us have on our accounts, it's valid from the 7th right till the 31st, so it's valid for a couple weeks. If you did unclip it by any chance, I think you're going to have to call customer service to get it reinstated on your account, or you might be out of luck. A couple of you were messaging me that you were playing in your account and something like that happened, so just be mindful of that. Call customer service. First deal we're going to talk about is the Olay gift sets at 30% off. Now, with these specific gift sets, the larger ones are $10.49. I know there's a Dove one as well, but I haven't seen it in any stores, and there's like a couple bucks back with Fetch Rewards rebates. 2 of the Olay gift sets, it's going to be $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $17.98. I think there's a $4 register reward printing. There was one the week previous, and because the prices are the same, I think it's still going to print right till Christmas. Plus $4 back from IBOTTA. There's $2 back for each. Double, triple check the rebate's still there. It makes it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per gift sets. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register rewards and to get that receipt for IBOTTA. Inside of those gift sets, we have $9 in digital coupons. So make sure that all of these, you fish them out before you gift the gift set, because as an extreme couponer, you probably have a lot of use for these. So don't forget, in that Olay gift set, these rebates, really nice. We also have an up to $5 coupon for the NYX, Garnier, these good items. So some of these are really cheap. So with a 5 off of 2, it might make it really affordable. So we'll have to wait and see what presents itself. We also have this deal. Typically, this is not part of the spend $30 to earn back $10 register reward. It's its own thing. The $5.49 Bounce Downy Tide Gain Laundry Care, $5 reward when you buy 4. So grabbing 4 of these is going to be $21.96. Subtracting dollar digital coupons off of each, you'll pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4, or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you wanted to do this in a $40 basket, you would be halfway there with this. So just keep that in mind. I'm not going to finesse the math to be like, it'll be 11 cents per item right now, but this would be half of it. Still alive and kicking, the $9.99 Venus and Gillette. If you can find the cheapest razors at $9.99, $10 reward when you purchase 2. I'm thinking we might get $3 digitals. Wouldn't that be nice? We'll have to wait and see tomorrow. But grabbing 2 of these for $19.98. If those coupons show up, hopefully they do, you'll pay $13.98 after the $6 off. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you would put that last laundry care deal with this, you'd be at $40. So it would make it so much better for the spend $40 to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash, the digital booster. That balance, obviously you'd have to use your debit card for the balance, but you could use other register rewards. Moving it along, we have the $5 Crester Oral-B, $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these products, it's going to be $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash. Or pay with other register rewards if you are doing this deal without a booster. But if you're using it with a booster, obviously you have to pay the balance because you can't earn Walgreens cash when you're spending Walgreens cash. $4.50 for these Colgate products with $2 digitals off of a brush and a paste. So you're going to have to grab 1 of each. That is $9. Subtracting 4, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or other register rewards to pay down the balance. And this would make the perfect stocking stuffer for, I think, teenagers or young adults. You know, mom, the couponer, is thinking about you, and here's some very practical items, I think. I think that would make a great stocking stuffer. Now, this is another $5.49 P&G deal with a $5 reward when you buy 4 and dollar digital coupons. So grabbing 1 Puffs, 1 Bounty, 1 Charmin, you're going to have to grab a mix and match. It's $21.96. We have dollar digital coupons off of each. So you will pay $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal with no booster, but this would be perfect for a $40 basket. This would be half of it if you wanted to do a booster deal. But for that one, again, class, you'd have to pay the balance with your debit, credit card, or cash. And last week, the Axe body wash was buy one, get one 50% off at $5.99 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of them, it would be $8.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. Again, a perfect stocking stuffer. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards if you're doing the deal with no booster, but a really great little stocking stuffer. Let's go through some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the buy 2, get 3 for free on the Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta products. 3 for $15.99. Canada Dry, 7-Up, and W. 3 for $9 on the Doritos, Cheetos, and the different dips. It makes it $3 per. $2.99 for the bags of Walgreens peanuts, cashews, those good products. 2 for $4 on these poppy drinks. I think the Christmas one on IBOTTA might have a rebate or 2. I know a lot of people love these drinks. And a buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It shakes it out to, I believe, 93 cents per box of 20. And a buy 1, get 2 for free on the complete home trash bags. It is the small or medium, and it makes it like $1.44 per. In closing, in case you missed it earlier this week, I have a video on the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale that is starting on Friday the 26th, where items in the store will be up to 75% off. We talk strategy and how to get the max value out of the sale. We'll link the video right here if you want to check it out. I know a lot of us love this sale. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.